Let's talk about pay-per-click advertising. You see PPC all the time. Those ads at the top of Google, they're in the way of customers finding you. That's the problem. You need to be in there. The sponsored posts in your feed, the video ads before a YouTube video starts, that's PPC, pay-per-click. The idea is simple. You pay when someone clicks your ad, not only when they see it. So every click sends a real person to your website or a landing page. Why does this matter for you though? Because pay-per-click reaches people who are already searching for what you offer and targeted somewhat. For example, location, they type in a keyword, your ad shows, they click, and now they're on a page that explains how you solve their problem. You stay in control the whole time. You choose your budget, you choose where your ads show, you choose the times of day, you choose the devices, phone, desktop, or both, and a lot of other settings. Here's a basic setup though. First, you pick a clear goal: more leads, more sales, more phone calls, or form fills. Next, you choose keywords or audiences that match your ideal customer. So if you're a plumber in Manchester, you go after searches like emergency plumber Manchester instead of broad random terms. Then you write short direct ads and send people to focus pages on your site. Pages that match what they search for. You switch the campaigns on and traffic starts to come through. The best part is how measurable pay-per-click is. You see how many people saw your ad, how many clicked, how much each click cost you, how many turned into leads or sales, and you link that spend to outcomes. You need to stay profitable, of course. And you get room to test different things. You keep what works and discard what doesn't. A lot of people say I tried ads and they didn't do anything. In most cases, the problem was weak targeting, weak tracking, or weak pages. And you need a pro. You take your car to a mechanic because you need a pro. Ads are no different than that at all. You need somebody who knows what they're doing. This is not the time for do it yourself. Pay-per-click also works alongside SEO. SEO builds long-term visibility, and pay-per-click gives you a faster, more sustainable volume traffic as well. SEO, even if you can be high up, Google doesn't always throw you into the mix, so your volume is also limited. Google's not going to give away its pay-per-click business. So if you want more control, clear data and steady visitors, pay-per-click gives you a route. Thanks for listening.